Hi, I'm Jessa, and I love teaching math. Let's get started.
Let's consider an example of factoring where we actually have two negative values. So, my result will be both negative. So I have x squared minus 9x plus 20. So again, we are seeking the two values which will, come when we unfoil them, when we reverse that process of distribution, what two numbers will be here that will equal this? So I'm kind of undoing this process and I'm seeking these two numbers. What are they? Well, when you're working problems like this, if the coefficient before the x is negative and this last value here is positive, I know that both of these are negative numbers. And this is the nature of, because it's the nature of negative values, or of the way we multiply numbers. Two negatives, when you multiply them together, give you that positive. But when you add negative values, you just get more negative, right? -2 minus 3, that's -5. So this being negative means they're both negative. So that's how I can tell, just by looking, that both of these two numbers are going to be negative. So again, when we're doing factoring, we'd like this last value. We want our two numbers to multiply to equal 20. And we would like our values to add to equal 9. So I like to write out my possibilities. I like to consider all the numbers that multiply to equal 20. So possibilities. I have 1 and 20. 2 and 10, 4 and 5, and that is it. Those are my possibilities. So I need two numbers. I know that both of them are going to be negative. They have to be. So I'm just looking for the numbers that when I have two negatives together, they equal -9. So if I have -1 minus 20, that's -21. -2 minus 10, that's -12. That's wrong. I'm seeking -9, right? And then here, my last option, -4 minus 5, that equals -9. So I'm happy. These are my two numbers. So my final answer when I'm factoring this problem is that x squared minus 9x plus 20 equals x minus 4, x minus 5.
If you have extra questions, you can go ahead and post them in the comments, and I'll try to answer as many of those as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to get more help with math and see more of the math content.